Hello guys, so this video is about how I made a thermal shade for my Fiat Scudo only on the two side windows. The longest time was to make a template so I can cut it. These are the things you need: glue gun, scissors, sharp knife, this polyfoam kind of thing that you put behind the radiator on the wall, and it's a 4mm plastic I don't know, what is it, corrugated plastic, I think it comes in a sheet. So there's the corrugated sheet with the foam, the aluminium foam on top of it, and then I'm gonna just glue it with a hot gun. It's hard to do with one hand, but I tried it before on a small piece. It sticks okay, not unremovable. You can remove it, but if you put enough, it will hold. I burned myself pretty badly with this when I pushed it together, and I cut my finger also on the plastic. It's really sharp on the edge, so be careful. This whole thing took me about 1.5 hours for the two windows, but as I said, the longest time it took me to make a template, and then I just step on it and then apply more glue. And then, as you can see, from the outside it looks silver, and I mean, it's not perfect. I got a little tiny light coming through on the sides, and I put the handle in. I glued it in so it's easier to remove. I use the Gorilla high temperature sticks, so when the sun beats on it, it shouldn't melt and come apart. Thank you.